Again, country people them wrote for Babaju big trouble as well people then say they also cry and they also beg semen governor. He try for do them that work for that side so for inside Babaju. This afternoon we go take una we go for village 2 where they call am say Misaka. E then for that side so for Tiko subdivision inside Fako division southwest the village. Chief it don't be budgets now big people them for up. They never yet put the chief official and it be just now where the other small village and where they come join before Misaka join. They the one talk say waiting if Ngomna he no try for follow up on top this palaver them say they go Jakaram and Misaka he no go surely be as way they just now. We go enter for day we talk this palaver na so too go take una. We enter for inside Fireway cash for delegation for tourism. Now for that side, so for inside Kribi, all cargo them for inside office for delegates. Ibon, Minister for Sick People, he don't talk say wetin, say any hospital where he check people them for corona. He take money, then he want give them medicine. He take money. Kasingo, he go follow them. Nothing that way minister don't talk. And Sabi say Oga Paul Tasong and John Donatus, they dey for Bamenda just now, as well they talk. With the year say they get for stand donga men for sensitize people them. Palava, as well they get for build northwest and southwest inside the war. How Bamenda welcome Oga Paul Tasong and John Donatus, all that one them, we go bring them. Plus, even newspaper them. Big part talk for this afternoon, it tell we, say person wey e no sabi for shape peg, make e look doggy ear. As a person wey e no sabi for cut peg, make e look dog ear. Abuenzo Charlie from Bangem for Kupe Maninguba, na he send we big part talk. At the turn back, small time. We glad plenty for meet up with una again, country people them. Na chapter 2 for Tori we don enter so for this number 1 day inside the week. Chapter for this afternoon, we go start with this accident wey e be happen for place wey they call am say Banga, na between Banga and Jombe, just for corner Tangi, as we Tori enter for we ear where this accident except e happen. As so na the see am, e dey show say na surely chop that for shrine them or flower wey dey so motor wey carry am e throw away just for corner that side so for Tangi. This weekend we just finish am as we Tori e enter for inside we ear una go see sef. Then e tell we say na for Sika Palava for Wawa Road where this accident be happen this weekend. As well the turn back so for this side, no person e no die, but na just the Wawa Road. See as we motor e tumble side, all the chop them for shrine where e carry am, all thing e throw away for road. They say overhaul them for we national road number 5, it be number 1 cause, and maybe even the conditions say where the motor be there, thing they no be waka find so the motor tumble side, or e chop them where e be there for inside the skin, e throw away just for that side in between Banga and Njombe for under Mongo division. They say na for corner Tangi where this one e happen this weekend. For inside Douala here, population from Ngwele SSF they be come out for Sunday, them plenty. Sabi say Ngwele, e just dey na for back side where dey so market for rye e dey, and plenty time for more than 3 years. As well the people them from Ngwele the day, they ever beg say make they even can open them Guataho. Say make mayor e can open Guataho so that when rain e fall, water e go fit for find e small roads e pass. Plenty time they don't ask no way, all time they ask no way. So quarter HSF e talk say now all them they get for look all the palava. We hear say they meet up the business people there they sell for that side them for market for rye, and even the one the way they make small business for quarter. Some one them they give 2,000, other one they give 5,000. Now for the way they take they go buy sansan. Now that sansan now for use them for fix the road. And they got a hold and they don't turn digam. Now for say make water when rain fall, make water see roads where you go fit for pass so that the population they go fit for use road. But Sabi say this small water where they don't dig and so if plenty rain fall, automatic e go mean say water rain e go flop am all. So they dey just expect say that so they don start make even authority dem, big people dem inside Douala 4 subdivision dey put eye, so that if na gutter wey dem wan just add am again make e deep, e pass wetin wey the people dem don do am, fine. But if dem no fit, dem say dem go so continue for see as wey dem go manage am. So that ground una dey see am na money wey the people dem say from Gwele dem don join am, then dey buy the ground. Dem say dem work small, ground e short, so dem go continue again on Sunday. But they dey beg and abeg say make big people dem say dem can join hand as wey dem wey dey shidon inside the quarter wey dem don tire the water wey dey meet up dem inside house plenty time, say make dem too dey can join hand. You see as wey dey dig am now. One day Okada people dem dey be the trunchate wey dey wan pass, na fight dey be only one fight with dem, say dey fix road dem dey the only one can pass, dey make na open eye. So e be dey na chapter wey dey be vex too with some Okada people dem. Since we dey for on top road, we be promise una say we be dey for Bamenda, and that road for Babaju na road that way go carry people dem head e go with am. Sabi say place e be wowo, and as wey place e be wowo, motor dem don be fit for waka, motor dem dey tight, dem no be fit for do wetin waka. So even motor wey carry die body, e no be fit for waka. Potopoto the way wey be the kenekene na logmopo. I say the way road be the kenekene, no be nothing for talk. So motor wey carry die body turn up, na e wey caterpillar too see am, say they wan go bury person there, the person to the suffer. Na caterpillar na e come, e can open before motor too e carry die body. Na that motor too say e can pass small as so na the see am so na suffer with the year say they don quotas on side. That's how the quota they don block am. They say if motor dey pass now, so e go chakara quick. Na e mean say that people dem no put original quota. No be so? Dem no put original quota. How they go dey fear say when motor dey pass so dey go chakara? Una see am too as wey caterpillar can comot small potopoto, na so too Okada dem too dey tire. You know, they try for see as wey they go pass. So road for Babaju, we dey pray say make minister wey the local road palava dem for we country, Oga Emmanuel Ganu Dumesi, make it try for do something before something do to people them wey they use that road plenty time. We take una go for West Region for place where they call am say Bati. West Region, Bati for Mbuda. Wanna see road no? I say wanna the see road, the road they find no? Oh. Even na waiting self, waiting the people them for Bati they don't do. Place where the motor they pass so just for corner. Now for the way the people that they carry water, una see them. Now for the way they wash clothes. No ask me sir where that water come up before I can't turn out for day. Me I no fit talk. But now the place that I just tell you they can't suffer. Where the people that for batty they get. They say make with the wash and water they for usa. Water no day no place. So people that the job can't turn out just for day. When motor one pass, they all man run come out. When motor come out go, they come. So the road says for enter batty no day. With the year say when sick man day. For take go Mbuda, na trouble. Or even for go for Galim, trouble. On top say water and even road iwowo, even light. I say light, see the pole. Now the only pole that we dey for that town no. That rope there they pass so you fit play A1 with the rope, e no go shock you. You understand? Rope they use na bamboo for use and turn up am, for even turn up the rope where they pass, say they say current dey pass today. Then they tell we say light if you come for inside Bati for 3 o'clock. By 10 o'clock for night, the light don't go back off. It means say that they use na that kind of style for light them. And as well the talk, people there for Bati no get light. And the village show there for inside Buddha. You understand? And the people they don't talk say they no sabi whether them they be part for Cameroon or they don't forget them. Rope that they pass on kind of style so way if picking necessary they by mistake touch them, it go shock them if you knew with them. Maybe time if you knew with them, at that time they go talk so oh, if we for sabi they no be talk for we. But now with the talk for now, with the show una make una see her. Maybe people them for Bati they know the see her. But you way be person where they work for company where they look all light. Una go do something before something do them. Or even something do una. People they no get light. Una will give them light for 3 o'clock, take them back for 5 o'clock or 10 o'clock. Now which kind of style that? They don't be Cameroon peoples. Eh? Just now we go enter for inside village wey dem call am say Misaka. Misaka for people there they know Sabisa wey dey. After you cross Mongo, you enter. Na Misaka be this way dey go so. As wey rain dey fall, they get lucky say plenty company dey for the village. So even as wey road e don poto so plenty. You understand? Even as wey road e don be some kind of way. We hear say the different company wey dey dey. One of their work the way they dey do. Now for look all the road them. Say make the road get poto as soon as they see am so country people them. But Misaka as well the talk problem dey. Development degree enter for Misaka. Water as soon as they see am na so borehole. Tap water sesep. I mean say one way na company wey dey look water give am for them. Dey. And chief e dey. Now so they never give chief authorization. They never give power. Sabi say when people them for village they make chief, big people that they come sign book say yes na true. Na school this na the only primary school that way Misaka get am. And as on one company where he dey for inside the place, he give them this school. Pikin the way they dey college, they get for worker for food, go for the next village before they go college Misaka. If they for don't give authorize for chief if for don't get power no. I say borehole na the thing that way dey plenty. Even hospital no dey at all. Now the only thing they will see am na some money private clinic, small hospital for day. Now the only small hospital that way people them for Misaka they use am. They say development never come and the people they want development. And if development get for come, it means say grant and go get for sign book for the chief way they don't choose am. You understand? I don't talk for na say as when Misaka dey so. No be na any kind of place. Company the way they dey inside na lock mop. You want count na banana company then, na plantain company, even company where they make ginger, they plant ginger. People there they carry sand. Now which people they want find them? All the company they dey yes, but if they want give though, say make Misaka be Misaka village. Say how who side the money go enter? With the year say for that side. The chief way they don't choose am, Daniel Dipoko, he never get authorized. And who put it like a chief? Time when they be the make consultative talk, where they choose who get for B chief and who no get for B chief. Zantua, where be the SDO for that side, so for Fako way day of late. Now he says be dey. He see time when they choose some Daniel Dipoko, say now he go be chief. But sorted today, authorized from governor, say Daniel Dipoko. Continue your work. They at all. But that's how they talk. Even as way they never give the book. Chief Daniel Dipoko, when I say give broom for Chief Dr. Joseph Jongute, time will be the enter for inside Southwest. He don't talk say no go she done. Then he look the village. Even as way brother today for one end in the fight in the making meeting there for Douala. Then they don't talk say they go so be for the village. And they don't talk say they no fish done. They talk just now. Say make grant and go. He do something. You understand? So that development go enter for Misaka. Power he die left chair. Where he says now the only Southwest chief apart from Mendeli and other people they go for Fumban conference. Power says for the big chief for Misaka. He to be there. He be go for Fumban conference. Now he mean say Misaka no be na any kind of place where they go play water. When family he don't choose, say na demand, na he. So they talk say, grant and go na be oga pata for all chief them. For this palava for Northwest and West, na work that where oga Dipoko don't do am. Vigilante, he dey for the village. See people there they be used to come, all people they don't enter Sosongo. And Sabi say 9 village they dey under Misaka. That one na council where they the bill and just now. So if all the thing they never give power, they don't start do the one them. It means say when they go give power full, thing they go change for inside Misaka. And now anyway they so the other village where they come from before they make Misaka. Where Grant and go say saluti, that will be the enter Southwest. They talk say if they no look out, they go Chakara. They say they go Chakara. So they talk now and talk say make Grant and go do something. Make he sign the book for talk say Chief Daniel Dipoko. Now he get for look out the Misaka peoples. Waiting una get for sabi wey concern country fashion for Mongo people there. we be put that question for Ebele Nkwamati wey be na person wey comot for Mukunda family. Wanna hear you talk?
One tell where papa and mommy them, were brothers and sisters. Say Mongo na a clan where it get a typical rules and regulations. It is a day within Mongo where you know fit change them. Even if you be who, even if you be witty. And this aspect now one of those. Once the family don't choose among a picking them, because now they within that family where they go always get the chief. So when that family don't pick them, the other family when are the Bonipoto, where they make up the kingmakers, they approve of that decision. They present them for SDO on that March 2016. They do all the things will be necessary according to administration. So that page it don't be closed. So for now, we need to see any reason whatsoever where it give permit me to distort our tradition or disturb our principles, because now this thing then we inherit them from our forefathers, and we go live with the principles until we die, and we be able ensure to say as we go, make we live those same principles for our children and our children's children.
Na oga Ebele Nkwamati be the tell we small palava for that country fashion way they so they no get for even lock eye on top. But tell we una the tell we say if thing they no stand up fine, una two go come out waiting. Be that you una want to say men governor say sabi.
Two possibilities today. Which way they try for do now? Most people there they know about the tradition, the traditional aspect of it. They know say they not change the choice, because it be traditionally impossible. But now how they continue for delay? And the only option I say, we some of the semi-autonomous communities, we go likely break out, because now inside within the very family where they don't make a choice and will accept the choice, now inside them that they bring confusion and that they go for administration, go to misbehave. When they orient administration for they make errors, now so administration to go make error, because at times it not be fully informed of which way they happen on the ground. Now we are responsibility for make the administration make it know which way the tradition they talk, then it take into consideration the tradition and the laws before it take a final decision. So if they continue this thing, we fit take the laws by our hand, we continue we for live we so with our chief, knowing say government never recognize it, but we will recognize it as our chief because we're already selected. The second option I say, we the semi-autonomous communities them, that's the Njok, Mukunda, Jopongo, Sokmbonjo and the rest. If the family continue for the distort the process, we no get no choice than for break away. And when we break away, we will not go be men again, and we will be divided and we will be weaker. But that is the option, because we will not leave them. May we are alive, we are inheritance. We will not play with them and trust them for any kind of money hand.
Yes, na Ebele Nkwamati, person wey comot from Mukunda, one of the villagers where they join for make Misaka wey dey so just now. They beg and they talk say make the administration they go ahead sign book for Chief Daniel Dipoko where they be choosy like chief for inside that village. Make we hear SSF. It tell we wait we don't do even as with that big book where they wait am maybe from Grand Tangoy office. It never so come so now.
Misaka na a peaceful village, and we not like trouble. So when we hear rumors say the one can repeat consultative talk, my people they be overvexed plenty, and I be run come back and tell them say no, make them no fear, because not just rumor. The administration for Cameroon, na administration where it love peace and justice and truth, and I believe in the competence for the authority for Cameroon. Say they go do what way it correct. They know what way correct, and they go do what way correct. So make no man no fear. For now, I don't come up for put a group where they call them say vigilante group, where they make sure say they keep peace, because a lot of thief will be. Even me myself, I be get about 40 something goat. They come one night can't thief my 38 goat, you know. So today I never see the goat them. Now you make I will put a vigilante group where you don't hell with that thief, you don't stop. And also these boys them, they be now responsible where they know go join Amber boys them, because now idleness to push people they for go do some kind thing. Would also help farmers them too. We don't create they call them say cassava farmers cooperative, where they help farmers them with the fee sell their cassava fine, and then they also enjoy again the money for the what they call them say dividends. That means when they don't make profit, when they don't sell that cassava them, they will still can share them again for them, for the shareholders them. We don't do what they call them for English say microfinance. That means a small bank. Small banks where they help people them for village. One a branch there for Moko, the other branch there for Likumba. It help.
Chief Daniel Dipoko, person with the choose like chief, we so tonight the wait a letter from Yawende for say make it continue for doing work for that side. So for inside FACO division with the ESA court case where it concerns some company where they call them Tabison and CDC. It don't go now in favor of the company where it don't come for can build school for that side. So for inside the Limbe as we Tori enter for we here. Congo side enter we say the company they be carry them go court. Say they don't work enough on top CDC land. But last when the company says carry book, it goes for courthouse, he give the company go ahead for say me they continue for do work with they be the do for that side. So for inside Bonadi Combo. So just now the land where they be the check say the only tip and a tip from CDC as we to re-enter for we here. No be na CDC land, na the company says he get hand with the year say they get for put school, they get for put water, and plenty thing there for that place. We na mostly for the internally displaced people them. We na for Sika war, they don't run enter for inside northwest and southwest. Make we hear waiting way Ayok Jovis. He talk for we on top this court case where they just come up for winner.
Like yesterday we will start, population will count, we feel maybe there's some different thing again. Everybody will count surprise, say, hey, this place will don't say I'm over, say this people don't grab this land by force, this and that. But the surprise was will come back. Today will be work, but unfortunately we will get some small technical for an amusement where the CEO brought, so maybe we'll go relax after midday. After the cutting of the palms, we don't break Brook streets. Well, I the one advise most especially residents, residents of FACO division and in Limbe in particular, say the project now for them, now for bring happiness to the community, most especially the internally displaced, like for the school, be for the internally displaced and the underprivileged. And we show, God willing, effectively maybe October, the school will commence. The water catch is a problem for the community. So we believe that the water catchment we will do here, it will help the Maifo community and the neighboring village. Jet Set and Tebeson Construction Company for the building of low-cost housing, school, health center, and offices. Water catchment.
Yes, as soon as I don't hear hospital, school, even water. Now the thing that way the company Atal song, the one open up where the buffet stop them. We caught it talks in a land for CDC. So the case it don't close for that side. Just now for Kribi. Now office for delegate for tourism says we cash fire for that side. So for Kribi as we to re-enter for we hear mama delegate says we red. It talks say it then Sabisa where the fire come out, but the fire be born only for office and some other work people them just now work in the continue for some other room them for that side. As we to re-enter for we hear till we cause fire, they say now for seekers on work cable where they be connect them for that side we cause this fire. But that one it no mean say work, it don't stop. My delegate, it talks say plenty of it in them. It be there for inside a USB key. So plenty of the thing them. If you get them, only say some other one the day we fire them, it carry them go. So for inside Kribi, apart from cholera, where it finish with the people them for that side. So for Lokonji, where it then for Kribi. Side where they catch fish, now people their own work that for that side. With the ESA cholera, it don't show you what face for that side. Since for number 16 day or 13 day for May 2020, where they get the first case for cholera just now, Sika Doti and other thing them. Cholera case them, it don't go for 42 for that side. So for inside Lokonje for Kribi, where the ESF say 20 of the people them, fisher people them are from Cameroon, 9 they come out from Nigeria, and 4 they already die for Sika this chapter for cholera for that side. So for inside Lokonje, we now under South region. Now we open chapter 2 for Koro for we country. Minister for Sick People, Dr. Manauda Malachi, he don't knock hand for table for talk say wetin say any hospital say he don't hear na hear, he never see am. He say he don't hear, he no wan see himself. He say they dey tell he say Congo side dey say hospital the way they get for test people dem jaw for corona and even give them medicine jaw say they dey take money. He say he don talk say he no wan he no only dey hear na hear say he no wan see am. So minister dey just talk and he dey talk for all people dem dey go hospital say any hospital wey ask dem money for test or even ask dem money say make they use am for give dem medicine say make they just report one time. Number 2 thing wey minister don talk just now on top the one, he say for security wey he don hear just now, delegation for national security and ministry for sick people they don join kombi and now so they dey na for back. You know sabi who be who. If he change face he can make like say he be corona sick man, the way you ask him money they just put you hand. So minister don talk say make that thing stop and then say they go start for follow up on top the palava. Say make they no use suffer for country, they make Cameroon people them for the lost money. So in the talk, any man for outside day, if you go check yourself for corona or you go you get out, then they say pay money. Just start shout say they don't talk say they know they pay money. Nothing that way minister don't talk. No be na ambassador or no be na Equinox Story House. He don't talk up. We dey talk nothing with Dr. Manauda Malachi. He dey talk. Corona for inside Ivory Coast country people them yesterday when na Sunday number 21 day for this moon, 216 new cases them now where they get them for people there they get corona for Ivory Coast. 76 people them well for Sunday, 2 people them die, 7,492. Now the number that for people there they don't get corona since we enter for Ivory Coast. 3,068 people them they don't already well. 54 people they don't die for Sika corona. For inside Buhari own country also enter for day for Sunday. 436 people them they casualty corona for their skin. Buhari country already he get 10,244 people them with corona. 6,879 they don't well turn back for house. 518 they do already die for Sika the sick where they call them say corona. South Africa as well to re-enter for we here. 4,621 people them they check them their skin on Sunday, they catch corona for their skin. South Africa just now it don't check 1,328,060 people them for on top the sick. 97,302 they get the sick. 51,608 they don't well and 1,930 people they don't die for Sika corona inside South Africa. And as well we talk for now for we strong number Oga Paul Tasson get for the meter with the LDM for that side so for Northwest this afternoon as well the talk. But now how Bamenda be talk come good for Oga Paul Tasson. Make we see you now. Make we turn for inside Bamenda town. Wana sabi say today it be then at the automatic country Sunday them for that side so for inside Bamenda and as well we turn for town. We see say place them like Nkwen. Will be meter 11 moto Okada them and people there they work up, but for other places them will not be fit for see people then say they be the tonton for inside the Bamenda. Amos maybe you show we one image for that side so for inside the Bamenda. Now the face of Bamenda as we Oga Paul Tasson says he get for start meter with people them sabi say Oga Paul Tasson and John Donatus their work up a day now for talk as we they get for do it in they get for start build Northwest and Southwest for Sika this palava way they happen for a place where they call them Northwest and Southwest. We sabi say plenty fight it don't happen for this. So for up station as so we see now Olema Okada where be there on top will be the tonton. We see I'm saying no one I motor self no be even pass with for road for up station for that side. So for Bamenda today as so they come down we meet up one private motor where they come and another one where it did for it before. But just for sabi say as well some other place them we be the see one person like we be meet up one person where the work out food for this side so for up station as well be tonton for day even for side from Quen country people them so side for Quen will enter we meet up 1 or 2 Okada the way they tonton now for that side where we even see say at least life it day small it must make we enter one time for Commercial Avenue how Commercial Avenue says it day today for the Monday now Commercial Avenue this no one billion man man, e no dey there for that side of Commercial Avenue. And we sabi say a meeting for Oga Paul Tasong, it dey happen for that side for corner Ayaba Hotel, as what we hear. And the first people them na for talk with the chief them, we mean say early them for Northwest, where they get for she don't talk. The plan when governor e get, and so Commercial Avenue be dry na dry. Even one Okada person no be fit for see am for that side. So for Commercial Avenue, even as way from Queen side, will be tonton meet up even one Okada wey be the tonton and people them. But for this side, e be just dey na quiet, no man e no be dey sef for road for inside Commercial Avenue. So na so Paul Tasong and Oga John Donatus they take enter for Bamenda. We hear say they enter around that kind of 23 minutes past 10 this morning time. We go finish story for this afternoon with newspaper them. We'll just take one newspaper them, the strong number. The Star newspaper for outside, they tell we as we big man, where you don't look at other Tory people them. Chief Mfwani Kemayan Paul, he died. Now last week, we'll be talking for this palaver. Inside the Star, they concentrate plenty for a life and the plenty thing that we don't do. Now person we don't fight for Tory people them. We go enter for another newspaper we Fongo go give we inside the post. Then the try for tell we say waiting. Say for that side so for Yawende, acquire them for that side for Yawende just now. They the one see whether life it go better for them. As we corona, it don't can spoil all thing. Now so to they talk for we, the kana we Chief Paul Kemayang, big Tory man, it disappear. Minister Paul Tasong and even Oga Ndong, John Donatus, Bamenda, and even for Boya, they don't start their waka for try for sensitize people them. As when governor plan for making them turn back to normal for inside that to place them. Another newspaper for this afternoon as well see country people them inside the Herald Tribune. They tell we palava with tax system where they talk say it no be based now on some kind of thing the way people they don't understand. Benatin them where you go help all people there for country. Now so too you go read other Tory palava for Anglophone big man where he go down with the talk. Palava Chief Paul and Kemayang where he die. Another newspaper where Amos he go give in at the Advocate. Amos he tell we for inside the Advocate today. Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute, he don't already send a people them for ground with the talk Minister Paul Tasong and John Donatus where they don't start for prepare ground as when they go build Northwest and Southwest. You go read Tory Palava for the Star newspaper big man too where he died for the Advocate newspaper where they outside inside the sun. They tell we Oga Paul Tasong he don't start 12-day worker and now for Northwest and Southwest for see whether they go fit make things they happen. You go read Tory too where it concern Afako High Court where he don't talk say waiting in this CDC land palava again he don't make some people them that already take case inside the chapter. You go read Tory for palava journalists way he fall for down inside the median. They talk for we as we waiting army people them soldier they don't make roads where the worker from Bamenda to Manfe he don't start worker again. Now so to Oga Paul Tasong he don't start a special worker for 2 weeks for Northwest and Southwest. Now for see as well they go build the town back after we war done Chakara. You go reach other to read them inside the median where it they outside. Northwest and Southwest strong people then just now they already start for city where they go do as well Oga Paul Tasong and John Donatus they don't start for do Jawaka. You go read Tory too for inside the same chapter where concern 2 Cameroon country people them where all them they dinner for inside Gata now for Sika waiting now for that side for Bosnia Herzegovina where they don't block them as well the Horizon newspaper they talk for we this afternoon. Another one now the Guardian Post where they try for tell we treasury bond that when government don't make away the bond money according to Minister for Finance person the local money say true government know the do thing where he no fit give money after. Chief Paul Nkemayang he die too. The Guardian Post people them they talk about and you go read Tory to a concern corona for inside we country as well they suggest now they get for start change place. Eden newspaper they try for tell we this afternoon palava for inside Catholic University Institute as well the even big man he don't come up for talk on top the chapter. Oga Paul Tasong too you go read Tory way concern their worker inside Northwest and Southwest and even Chief Paul Kemayang when a big Tory man where he says he fall for some kind of way for inside Limbe last week as well Eden newspaper e talk for we last or we look inside the Voice newspaper wey the Voice too e dey tell we dis arraignment wowotin the wahala for that side. So for Catholic University, wetin you wan sabi about the thing wey dey turn for there, you fit for read am inside the Voice. The Voice sef dey tell we as we place e dark for that side. So for Limbe, after wey Chief Paul Kemayan e die, wey he be the big man for the Star newspaper. We go enter for inside the Crown newspaper wey dey outside. The new baby inside newspaper wey dey tell we publisher for the Star newspaper, e don die. You go read too as wey Okada people dem carelessness, e don make plenty accident dem for happen for that side for East region. You go read tori to a concern WWF inside the Crown, plus a Kondo Titi Council wey don vote plenty money for their year. Inside Entrepreneur for today, dem na people dey dey check na only chapter money. They dey tell we wetin dey happen as we northwest southwest trouble dey, how they fit for live. Corona wey don enter, how the business people dem dey manage. You go read all that tori for inside Entrepreneur this afternoon. Country peoples, na just the thing that will be turn bring am for now. We be promise una for 1 o'clock, for 8 for morning time. Say plenty thing the day, and we don't keep am. Now we promise. Amos from God, thank you plenty. Malis, thank you to plenty. Ledupone will thank you. Just for Sabi say 8 o'clock for some time. We go join head again. Una hold am tight. If Papa will help, na sote tomorrow.